If your Google TV's Play Store is crashing, freezing, or simply not opening, you don't have to suffer through the silence. This guide offers quick, easy fixes to troubleshoot and fix your Google Play Store. Let's get started. Solution 1. Restart Google TV and router. Most of the time, the issue is temporary. Restart your Google TV by powering it off completely. Then, plug it back on. Meanwhile, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Wait a bit and plug it back in and reconnect. This quick reset often fixes the issue instantly. Solution 2. Check if your Play Store is disabled or not. From your Google TV home screen, go to Settings. Then, open Apps. Go to See All Apps. Now, choose Google Play Store. From here, check if Play Store is disabled or not. Make sure to enable it, and even if you see it enabled, select Disable and then confirm your choice. After that, choose Enable and confirm your choice. This simple step resets the Google Play Store in the Android OS of your Google TV. Solution 3. Clear Play Store cache and data. While you're in the Google Play Store settings, look for the Clear Cache option. Select it and confirm your choice. After that, select Clear Data and then confirm your choice. Now, open the Play Store. Your Google Play Store should now open normally. Hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching!